Welcome back, Scattis Gear fans. This is video number 3 of our Overland trailer series. This is the Scout. This is Justin's baby here. I'm going to have him talk a good bit about this. It started life as a military-style trailer, and we've turned it into a fantastic entry-level overlanding camping trailer. Justin, take it away.
Hey everybody. Yeah, well, I guess we'll start at the front. Went with a smaller tongue box here, just for storing, tools, letting down the jacks in the back, so straps, gloves, stuff like that. Just a utility box. So this is pretty basic model. I don't have any battery storage or solar system set up in here. Yeah, of course, went with a splash guard as well. Just like on the other front of the trailers, it's that hard steel diamond plate. We've got herculiner is what we went with this one instead of Cerakote as well. We've got the big robust fenders, the same that is set up on all the trailers. So these things are great for climbing up on, setting up the tent.
Yeah, I really like the feature of these, especially with these large plates here, because I can tell you I'm as clumsy as an ox, and if you would have had like little narrow things right there, I'd probably been taking a Gravity Express all the time. And while that may be funny, that hurts. So none for me, thanks. So keep going.
Yeah, and of course you can always, like the other trailers, mount your propane tanks on the side, which might be something later on down the line. Right now I just run the small green propane bottles. Works best for me and my family. So this is a military style box. It's riveted together, so this is all one cohesive unit. And then everything underneath was redone, tongue, frame, and all, because it was a pretty older trailer. So this is completely remodeled from bottom up. This steel tubing rack was put on. We've got the overhang here. The overhang allowed us to put storage in the back. I've got a pretty large family, so I needed some extra storage, as the Scout is a little bit smaller than the other trailers. So you can store anything up here, from coolers to camping chairs, which is what I use it for. Got the jacks in the back, the stabilizing jacks in the back, just like all the other trailers. I've just got 2. I keep it attached to my Jeep, works just fine. For the tailgate, I wanted to do something a little different. I've got 3 girls, and sometimes they don't want to bust out a chair, and we just bust out the tailgate. So it's just a drop down tailgate, 2 latches on each side. Nice, pretty sturdy tailgate, not going anywhere, right?
And as you can see, there's tons of storage back in here, so whatever you want to pack in, that's available. And that's true for all of our trailers that we've got here. If I'm not mistaken, this is a 4 by roughly 6.5, if I remember the measurements on that correctly.
Yeah, and so for this smaller size trailer, we went with the Overland Vehicle Systems Nomadic 2 series. So it's a 2-person tent, and then of course, we can store other tents for our girls in here as well. Ground camping. Here's the Scattis bear logo for overlanding, and that's about it.
All right. So again, this is our Scout version. This is our entry-level trailer that we've got here. You can add whatever feature you want. We'll have all that stuff set up on our website. Again, that's going to be scattisgear.com. Look for the overlanding tab and go from there. And thanks for your time, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Have a good one.